Welcome. Today we are examining a critical engineering challenge: how hybrid energy storage systems, or HESS, make solar and wind farms reliable. Renewable sources are intermittent. When output drops suddenly, the grid needs an immediate and stable response. The HESS acts as an intelligent shock absorber to deliver this stable output. Consider a real-life scenario. A cloud blocks a 50-megawatt solar array. Within 20 milliseconds, power output drops instantly. If the grid frequency falls for more than 200 milliseconds, relays may trip, risking a blackout. The core problem is intermittency. Solar is only available during the day and varies with cloud cover. Wind is highly unpredictable due to the cubic law of power output. A hybrid energy storage system combines technologies to handle both fast-changing and long-duration demands. It pairs a flywheel for instant response with a flow battery for prolonged storage, all managed by a power management controller. The flywheel is the sprinter. It stores energy as a heavy disk, spinning at up to 50,000 RPM in a vacuum. It can respond in under 20 milliseconds, with high 98% efficiency, handling millisecond surges. The flow battery is the marathon runner. It stores energy in liquid electrolyte tanks. Scaling capacity is simple. Just use bigger tanks. It offers 4 to 12 hours of storage duration and has a long cycle life, making it ideal for overnight shifting. The HESS acts as a shock absorber across timescales. For instant drops, the flywheel responds. If the drop is sustained, the flow battery takes over to provide hours of steady power. In the real world, HESS provides sub-20 millisecond response times, resulting in 99.97% grid uptime and a significant reduction in wasted renewable energy or curtailment. Flow batteries also pose zero fire risk. In summary, HESS combines the instantaneous power of the flywheel with the long-duration capacity of the flow battery. This complete system makes renewable energy sources as reliable as conventional power.